Hello everyone and welcome back to the live again. So I hope everybody managed to make a profit from this level. This was the beginning of our week, and as soon as week was opened, and I gave you the exact same levels. I was not expecting market to come back down. Instead, I was watching for market to go for 5,000 first target. Sorry, 5,300 first target and 5,800 another extended target for the weekly perspective. So as we can see now, market has reached to our target exactly within 2 days after the opening of the week. Yes, now yesterday was quite Monday was quite good. Yesterday was a little bit fragile because the market was ranging and try to give us the range, and yeah, market almost stood in this area for uh, 1 2 days. So around almost around 9 o'clock London time, they did 9 p.m. in the night. They did break out above the zone and they give us a closure, which was the exact confirmations that they are moving more higher. It is 5300 and 5800 with extended target. So it's not me, guys. It's not any others like normal peoples which pretending this area. It's a Goldman Sachs who is looking for the long term target for the gold. So basically, Goldman Sachs has stated that uh, by the end of 2026, gold will be trading at 5,800 to 6,100 US dollar price per ounce. So what we can see from that is basically market gonna be in the uptrend for this whole year as well. So what we can do in this condition, we can basically look continue for buying towards 6,000 or higher than that. So let me go in from the higher time frame from 4 hours. We can see a little bit of weakness in a 4-hour time frame, but I think we still have uh, some more time. I think 2 hours to close this another 4 hours candle. So only after the closure of this candle, then we can get the confirmations, or we can be sure that we're gonna move more higher. But I can see market is showing a weakness in this zone, because as you can see, after the breakout candle was quite big. This was a strong breakout from the zone, and this was almost half of the size of this candle, and this is even smaller than this, and this one is showing they grab the liquidity from above, and they showing the weakness in this zone, in this exact zone. So uh, now how we can get the confirmation of the buying or selling or continuation of the market? So we have to wait for the higher time frame uh, closure. I mean, 4 hours, or if you want to go higher than that, that's a daily candle. And yes, those daily candle and higher time frame candle like 4 hours and 1 hour candle, they give us a confirmations. And then we're gonna plan our trade according to the closure of those candles. Okay, yep. So let's see in the 1 hour time frame. Yep, as we can see, this is our demand zone in the 1 hour time frame. If market can come back to this zone and give us a retest in this exact area, then we might get impulsive trade from these zones, impulsive push towards upside from this zone. So which is five, the zone started from uh, 5156 to 5183. So we have to be careful in this exact area. If market come back to this zone, then we will look for the continuation of buy. Yes, so this is also the exact wave. Let me show you the wave. So this was the exact wave starting from this point, which was 5010. Now market is in a 5,266, which is almost $266 higher than what we were in the yesterday market zone. So yes, that's what we are expecting from the market. So now I don't think we're gonna get any trade for a while, because it's pre-New York session, and it's London's. It's almost the London session is finished, and as we can expect, this is the comic session of London. I mean, shares and stocks houses gonna be closing very soon, and the London session gonna pass the trading session to the New York. So when there will be New York session, then we can expect the market to create a small types of manipulations or give us a small dip, so that they can take all those buyers out from this zone and move higher. So before moving to any direction, guys, as we always know, it will give us a shake out or come back to retest to our zone and continue higher high. Mm, so for that, we need patience. We have to wait for a while, and when market gonna come into our exact zone, I'm gonna let you know. I'll open my mic and I'll explain all the reason why we're gonna take the buy or sell positions in the exact same zone. So if you got any questions, you can ask me in the chat box. And yeah, that's it for now. And we can see small weakness in the 5 minutes as well, because the market has created this huge impulse, and now they are currently break the structure and break trading below the zone. uh, so let's see how they're gonna react if they if they're gonna break in the zone again, which is above the 5270 area. If market gonna come above this 5270 area, then market will continue to rise for a whole day. And today we got one important news as well. We are expecting the federal meetings of Federal Reserve. So basically, there is FOMC meetings around 8 o'clock in the night. So in these federal meetings, in these FOMC meetings, they are planning not to cut the interest rate for the USA. So basically, Donald Trump was constantly forcing the Federal Reserve to cut the interest rate from last couple of months, so that all the entrepreneur or the businessman can take the loan in a um, in a lower, cheaper interest rate, so that they don't have to pay the higher amount of money, so that they can focus in the building or managing the business or growing the business, which gonna create a more jobs in the country. If there is more jobs, the economy will be stronger, and if the economy is stronger, and if there is more job, of course the citizens of the country gonna be stronger, and the currency will be automatically be in the power. So that's how currency and the jobs creation in the country are correlated to each others. So simply as I just explained you, so that's what we're gonna focus on right now, right? These conditions in the market. So if we get any conditions, if market come back to this lower, deeper zone, which is 5187, then that would be the goodbye, or you can say that would be another expansion, another expanded way for the gold towards 5500 and 5800. So let's see what they're gonna do. If they gonna break this structure and give us a small change of character, internal change of character, then we will try to take any buy positions. If not, then we're just gonna wait for a while. So that's it for now. If you got any questions, ask me in the chat box and I'll come back soon.